I'm David.
I'm John, and we're from Intelligent Concrete, here to answer all your concrete questions, concrete concerns. We got an awesome question today from Hamid.
Awesome's good.
Ding!
Intelligent Concrete, can you release a video that you make SCA cement in lab oven?
So, this is a funny story. And I'm doing a story time without Whitney here because she'd probably yell at me.
Uh-oh.
So can you make, I think it's a CSA cement in a lab oven? And I think it's a better question, can you make any cement in a lab oven? The first cement was patented in, I want to say, it's either 1857 or 1957 by Joseph Aspdin.
Can't be 1957.
1857.
Right.
Right, there you go. So by Joseph Aspdin, and whatever year it was, he collected the limestone that he used to make his first cement from the limestone plant that he worked in. He swept up limestone.
Right.
Limestone finds. And this is from that book by Earl J. Hadley, The Magic Powder. And what he did with that cement is really important because I try to do the same thing in my backyard. And he basically made a beehive kiln in his backyard, which got the limestone up to around 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit to make that first cement that he ended up getting a patent on. And that's actually been done a bunch of times, that they use a beehive kiln, which is a kiln that is made from, just in a fire pit.
Right.
And you're actually making it from wood and sticks, and it's the shape of a beehive, and it's just so hot that it gets up to the temperature that you need, but it also produces a lot of smoke. So anyway, I wanted to do the same thing, and I did not get very far before Whitney was yelling at me to shut down the bonfire that I had created in the backyard. So
she's interested in your safety.
the reason why I brought you in is, realistically, can you get materials 3,000 to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit in a rotary system in a lab environment?
Can't do it in our ovens.
Can't do it in our ovens go up to 600 C, and I don't think we ever even tried to go that high. We're around 150 F.
That's right. We're
80 C, 90 C, something like that.
something like that.
So the last time I saw, I was in the LCR facility for Lafarge in Lyon, France. They had an indoor kiln that did material about that much in volume. So it was at 800 grams worth of material, dried material. Now they had a rotary kiln, and the cup that they had was made out of titanium or platinum or palladium. And just one of those cups was like $30,000 or $40,000, and that was their rotary kiln where they made small batches of cement indoors. So I've seen that, but it's a fairly sophisticated and beefy system.
Yeah, even if you went to a pottery kiln or a clay kiln or something like that, I'm not sure even how that would work.
Yeah, I mean, you could. I think you could get up to the thousands, but I don't know if you can get to that 3,000 to 5,000 region.
Right.
You would need to get. All right, so yeah, hopefully that answers your question. There's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, I guess it's possible, but it's difficult.
Difficult.
Right.
So good luck with your endeavors. Let us know how they go. Send us some pictures too if you make that beehive kiln.
Yeah, I'd be curious.
That'd be pretty awesome. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you don't mind, and then go concrete.
Beat asphalt.